Today's Bible verse comes from Ephesians chapter 6 verse 11, King James Version. Put on the whole armor of God, that ye may be able to stand against the wiles of the devil. Ephesians 6:11 is an instruction to believers to put on the whole armor of God as a spiritual defense against the devil's deceptive tactics and attacks. It emphasizes that spiritual warfare is real and that God provides all the necessary spiritual protection for believers to stand firm against evil forces. This spiritual armor is meant to be used completely, not just in part, to be fully protected from spiritual adversaries. Here's the breakdown of the verse. Number 1. Spiritual warfare. The verse introduces the concept of spiritual warfare, stating that the struggle is not against other people, but against spiritual forces of evil. Number 2. The armor of God. The whole armor of God is a metaphor for the spiritual resources and protection God provides to believers. It is not literal armor but include qualities like the belt of truth, the breastplate and righteousness, the shield of faith, the helmet of salvation, and a sword of the Spirit. Number 3. Wiles of the devil. The wiles of the devil refers to the cunning schemes, tricks, and strategies to deceive and harm believers. This can include deception, intimidation, and tempting people away from God's will. Number 4 is standing firm. The goal of putting on the armor is to be able to stand against the devil's tactics and stand firm in one's faith, which means being steadfast and not falling back. And lastly, number 5, God's rule. Gods provide the armor, but believers must choose to put it on and use it. The armor is intended to be a complete and total defense against all of the devil's attacks. Amen.